morning and welcome children. Once again I am here to teach you English language. But children, I am not going to teach a new topic today. You are going to have a self-test on what you have learned in the last 3 videos. And the topic, it was preposition. You have learned about preposition. You have learned about the kinds of preposition, that is preposition of place, preposition of time and preposition of direction. So before I explain you what we are going to do and before we get started, I want you to get your rough notebooks and your pen. Okay? I hope you're ready with your rough notebooks and your pens, children. So let's get started. What are we going to do now? I'm going to dictate a few sentences and you have to write these sentences in your rough notebook. After writing each sentence, you have to underline the preposition in that sentence and you have to mention the kind of preposition it is. For example, I say or I read out, he lives at Bandra. Now, after writing this sentence, what are we supposed to do? We have to underline the preposition at, and what kind of preposition it is? It is preposition of place. You have to write preposition of place. This is the way we are going to do. So what are we doing? We are killing 2 birds with 1 stone. What does it mean? We are achieving 2 goals with a single action. We are doing dictation as well as we are testing our knowledge about preposition. Okay, children? So let's get started. I'm going to read out the first sentence. Please write it beautifully and neatly. Whenever you write a sentence, start it with a capital letter and at the end of the sentence, please put a full stop. He lives in India. After writing this sentence, please underline the preposition and mention its kind also. If it's preposition of time, you write preposition of time. If it's preposition of place, you write preposition of place. And if it's preposition of direction, you write preposition of direction. Now the second sentence, we saw the match at the stadium. I repeat, we saw the match at the stadium. So after writing the sentence, underline the preposition and mention its kind. Number 3, Aditya is walking along with his mother. Children, don't worry about the spellings. Whatever you know, you write. If you're wrong, you can later on check it. I'm going to show you all the answers on the screen. Okay? Now number 4. The lion jumped through the ring in the circus. The lion jumped through the ring in the circus. Underline the preposition and mention its kind. Number 5. He will return within a week. Underline the preposition and mention its kind. Number 6. We should not talk during the examination. We should not talk during the examination. Underline the preposition and mention its kind. Number 7. He sat between the 2 boys. Again, underline the preposition and mention its kind. Number 8. The cat is hiding under the table. The cat is hiding under the table. Underline the preposition and mention its kind. Number 9. She ran towards me. She ran towards me. Underline the preposition and mention its kind. Number 10. He went up the stairs. He went up the stairs. Underline the preposition and mention its kind. Number 11. She finished her work before going to bed. She finished her work before going to bed. Again, underline the preposition and mention its kind. Now the last one, that is number 12. I brush my teeth after I wake up. I brush my teeth after I wake up. Again, underline the preposition and mention its kind. Now children, what I am going to do, I am going to show you all the answers on the screen. You have to check yourself. Okay? And if it's correct, you put a tick. And if it is wrong, you put a cross. And whatever mistakes you make in spellings or if your preposition is wrong, please do the corrections. Please be honest children. Okay? Number 1. He lives in India. Here in is the preposition and it is preposition of place. Number 2. We saw the match at the stadium. Here at is the preposition and it is preposition of place. Number 3. Aditya is walking along with his mother. Here along is the preposition and it is preposition of direction. Number 4. The lion jumped through the ring in the circus. Here we have two prepositions, through and in. Through is preposition of direction and in is preposition of place. Number 5. He will return within a week. Within is the preposition and it is preposition of time. Number 6. We should not talk during the examination. During is the preposition and it is preposition of time. Number 7. He sat between the two boys. Between is the preposition and it is preposition of place. Number 8. The cat is hiding under the table. Here under is the preposition and it is preposition of place again. Number 9. She ran towards me. Towards is the preposition and it is preposition of direction. Number 10. He went up the stairs. Up is the preposition and it is preposition of direction. Number 11. She finished her work before going to bed. Before is the preposition and it is preposition of time. Now the last one. I brush my teeth after I wake up. Here after is the preposition and it is preposition of time. I hope children you have checked all the answers from the screen. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice time.